From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your afternoon weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Well, the good news is no major changes in the forecast. So if you've seen this morning, no updates really to speak of per se. However, the only update I would say is that it's actually trending warmer than what we were talking about this morning. Lunchtime temperatures have already been pushing close to 70 degrees. It's oddly warm outside as this disturbance and the storm system heads our way overnight tonight. It's going to be a shock to the system in the next 24 hours. So scattered showers, yeah, we're expecting more of those to ramp up throughout the day today. More rain overnight tonight. Colder air moves in on Wednesday and a chance for some light snow showers possibly Wednesday night. So you can see our satellite and radar. We've got visible satellite imagery on there for you. So nothing to show you this morning, but once the sun comes up, you can see the satellite imagery. So we do have the clouds hanging out with us. This batch of showers and thunderstorms down to our south, that's what's going to skirt its way to the north and northeast. And that's going to clip the eastern half of East Tennessee, I think, for the rest of the day. I'll show you the future cast coming up here in just a second. A big push of more moist air is heading our way, and that's what's leading to the showers that are heading our way. So those showers to our south will again clip the mountain counties. But we'll see some scattered showers, and again, can't rule out a couple of rumbles of thunder. I think the majority of the rain is going to be off to our east. And so the east, basically Interstate 75 and 81 is going to be the bullseye, and then points further to the east, points further to the west and northwest, less rain for the rest of the day today. So not expecting a whole lot. But it's not over yet because we still have our disturbance overnight tonight. Watch this. All right, so our future cast overnight tonight, more waves of energy and moisture sliding its way in from the south. This blue line is your 32-degree line. That's your rain-snow line, per se. And so watch this as this moves on in. By 2 o'clock in the morning, it's all rain. We're well ahead of the 32-degree line. 32-degree line starts to come racing on through. Now, again, that's going to be a measure of 32 degrees throughout the column of the atmosphere. So not necessarily where it's necessarily going to be snowing, but what it is showing is that as that colder air comes on through, we could start to see that transition from rain to snow across parts of the Cumberland Plateau into the mountains. And that's at 7 o'clock on Wednesday. It all swings its way on through, some light snow showers as that colder air comes racing on through. And then Wednesday night into Thursday could see a little wave of energy moving on through as well. So when all is said and done, we're likely to pick up about a quarter, maybe upwards of a half an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. But when we're also talking about the snowfall forecast, there is a quick little bout of snow as it moves its way on through. That's still possible. At this point of the game, I would say less than an inch of snow on the grassy areas, rooftops, cars, maybe some of the back roads, but the ground temperatures, again, have come up just a little bit, so not too terribly cold out there. So precipitation chances, we're going to ramp those up here overnight tonight for the first part of our Wednesday. It fades away Wednesday into Thursday, Friday. Little wave moves its way through over the weekend, bringing us a chance for some scattered light rain showers. Most of those are going to be during the overnight hours. It is warm out there. I've bumped up our temperatures a bit. So we're in the upper 60s to low 70s. Definitely doesn't feel like December, and that's going to keep our temperatures nice and comfortable here this evening as this little energy moves its way on through. But by tonight, cold air to our northwest, that comes swooping on in throughout the day tomorrow, and that's why we're going to see steady to steadily falling temperatures tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be on the colder side. So we go from the 60s and 70s today. We're going to drop down into the 40s Wednesday, Thursday, back into the 50s for the upcoming weekend, and pushing close to near 60 degrees as we get into next week. Low temperatures, the coldest mornings come through Thursday and Friday morning. But looking ahead, the Climate Prediction Center is predicting the possibility of above average temperatures all the way through the middle and latter part of the month. Make sure you stay in the know with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's your one-stop shop for weather right here in East Tennessee, and it's 100% free. Just search East TN Weather, all one word. All right, we sure hope you have a great rest of your day. It's oddly warm. Enjoy it, because tomorrow we're going to need the winter coats again. Your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock. We'll see if there's any updates or changes to the forecast. Make sure you check back in.